Well, the hopes that he was fine are dashed. Obviously, this is the crash from Nashville where Ken Roczen's shock exploded underneath him in the whoops and sent him, head over tea kettles into the ground. And there was a picture of his knee. It was pretty swollen. It's at the end of the video if you want to see it. But he did provide an update. I think it was yesterday as I'm reading this now. And it's funny because it has 81,900 or 81,899 likes and no comments. So those must have been turned off, but said, quote, "All right, after evaluation, it looks like I will be out for a little bit. It turns out I broke my tib plateau, my foot, and my toe. No surgery is required as of right now, but we are still gathering information and further evaluation. That's really all I have for you now. Bye, SX20, SX24. You were pretty cool. My fans and partners, you guys make it super fun, and it's a joy coming to the races and get the support you guys give us." So it sucks. I mean, obviously, this means he's out for the last, what, 3 rounds of Supercross, and who knows what that means for motocross, if he'd even be doing it. I don't know. So many comments down below. Tell me if you know if he's actually racing outdoors. I highly doubt it, but I could be wrong about that. But it does. It just, if this means he's out for Supercross, it means he's out until probably SMX, and as it goes, it's not a very good thing. Obviously, he's getting older. The more the injuries pile up, the more you're going to get the incentive, I guess you could say, to retire. I mean, look at Adam Cianciarulo just saying, peace. I don't want to be injured anymore. And it is, with between his two wrist injuries, just being, what is he, in his 30s now, I'd assume. Actually, I don't know. Somebody tell me, comments below. Give me the information that I don't feel like looking up. But it just sucks because this is the end of the year. Obviously, he's not in the championship battle, but he's still a, you know, face of Supercross, one of the most popular guys. You want to see him out there racing. He can still be up front racing for podiums, wins, top fives, everything like that. So it sucks to lose a guy that is that competitive. You never see anybody injured, but it's just, especially the end of the year, you've put all the work in, you've done 99% of the races, and then boom. Not 99, like let's say 90%, whatever. But it's just the last three, you really hope everyone makes it through. And it's kind of one of those sad things, but it is crazy to think that all because a shock just exploded, something you have absolutely no control over, and now you're injured and you're out for a couple weeks, a couple months, whatever it's going to be. But comments below, you guys tell me. What do you think of it? What do you think of Nashville? Who do you think's going to win? Does Cooper Webb come back or does Jet take the title? Whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.